Hello, welcome back to another video with me. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 30 phrases you can use every day to improve and level up your English. Today's video is a little bit different because it's a whispering lesson, a slow whispering lesson. So, these are daily phrases you can use in every situations when you're speaking English. In today's video, I will speak super slow and like whispering to your ears so you can relax and learn English at the same time. It's like an ASMR teaching video. When you want to express what you want politely, you will use this phrase, I'd like to. A full version of this phrase is I would like to. But because American people like to shorten everything, you just say, I'd like to. Like, I'd like to try Japanese food. I'd like to learn more about editing. The next phrase is, I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about. When you want to talk about your future considerations, you will use this structure. I'm thinking about traveling again. I'm thinking about starting a new YouTube channel. When you want to show your effort or intention in English, you will use this structure. I'm trying to. Listen carefully. I don't say I'm trying to. I don't pronounce the G sound in trying. You can pronounce it, but if you want to sound more like a native English speaker, you have to say, I'm trying to. So drop the G sound. I'm trying to. I'm trying to wake up earlier. I'm trying to wake up earlier. Or I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. When you want to express the necessity of something, you will use this phrase, I need to. I need to study harder. I need to practice more. The next phrase is, I feel like. When you want to talk, when you want to express your desires and emotions casually, you will use this phrase. I feel like. It means I want to do something. I feel like watching a movie tonight. I feel like watching a movie tonight. I feel like I'm not making enough progress. I feel like I'm not making enough progress. The next phrase is when you want to show, when you want to talk about what is familiar to you or what are your habits. I'm used to. I'm used to. I'm used to working late at night. I'm familiar with working late at night. I'm used to. I'm used to speaking English every day. When you're uncertain about something, you say, I'm not sure if, I'm not sure if, I'm not sure if this idea will work. I'm not sure. I'm uncertain and not certain. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. I'm not really sure. If you want to check or test something, you will use this structure. Let's see if. Let's see if. Let's see if the mic is working. Is it working? 1, 2, 3. Let's see if the mic is working. Let's see if we can finish this today. Let's see. If you want to start to talk about your intentions in a casual way, you can say, I wanted to. But the important note here, you have to drop the T in wanted. I wanted to. And you can simply add just. I just wanted to. I just wanted to say thank you all, guys. I just wanted to ask a quick question. If you want to talk about your explanations or an excuse, you have to use this phrase. The thing is, it means the problem is, or the topic is. So the thing is, I don't have much time. The thing is, I forgot to call you. So it's an excuse, and I want to explain about my excuse, so I use this structure. The thing is. If you want to describe or compare something, you will use it's kind of like, but when you say it faster, it's kinda like you drop the F sound. It's kinda like learning a new habit. It's kinda like riding a bike again. Imagine you wanted to do something, but you forgot. So you had the intention, but you delayed for any reasons. It doesn't matter, but you had the intention of doing that thing. You will use this structure. I've been meaning to. I've been meaning to call you, but I forgot. So I had the intention, but I forgot. I've been meaning to start journaling again. I wanted to do it. I had the intention. I was so serious, but I couldn't. I didn't. When you're not 100% sure about something, but you think that's true, you will use this phrase. As far as I know. As far as I know. As far as I know, they're still together. As far as I know. I'm not sure if this is true, but I think it's true. As far as I know, this app is free. If you want to talk about your real opinion, if you want to express your real ideas and thoughts, you will use this phrase. To be honest, I'm a bit nervous. To be honest, I didn't like that movie, to be honest. And you can use honestly instead of to be honest. honestly. If you want to share your observations about something, you can say, the thing I noticed is, the thing I noticed is, one thing I noticed is my accent improved. One thing I noticed is people love short videos. If you're currently doing something and you don't want anyone to interrupt you, you can say, I'm in the middle of. I'm in the middle of. Like, I'm in the middle of editing my videos, so stop talking to me. You want to show your excitement about the future. You can say, I can't wait to. I can't wait to see what happens in the next episode. I can't wait to see what happens in a month. I can't wait to post my next video. If you want to say that you were just doing something and you wanted to start it, you can say, I was just about. I was just about to call you. I was just about to take a break. It means I was starting that already. If you're observing something and you want to share that thing with another person, you can say, it seems like, it seems like, it seems like she is doing better now. It seems like, I just can say it. It seems like everyone is talking about AI. It means I'm seeing this, I'm observing this. The 20th phrase is I've got to or I gotta. This is an informal way of saying I have to. I gotta clean my house today. Or I've got to study English sooner. When you're going to do something very soon, you can say, I'm about to. I'm about to. I'm about to film a new video. The next one is I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to. If you're excited about a future plan, you can use this. I'm looking forward to learning Japanese. So, an important thing here is if you want to use a verb after looking forward to plus a verb, the verb should be in an ing form. So, I'm looking forward to learning Japanese. But if you want to use a noun, just use it. I'm looking forward to the weekend. It means I'm so excited about the weekend. I'm really excited. If you want to show your preference, you can say I'd rather. I'd rather. This is the shortened form of I would rather. I'd rather. I'd rather stay home tonight. I'd rather stay home tonight. I'd rather film my videos during the day. I prefer this. I want to do this more than one other thing. If you want to express a soft wish or desire, you can use it would be nice to. It would be nice to travel together. Means I like it and it's a soft wish for me. It would be nice to reach subscribers very soon. If you want to describe your progress, you can use I'm getting better at. I'm getting better at. I'm getting better at cooking. I'm getting better at speaking English. I'm getting better at pronouncing new words. If you want to talk about your thoughts, but the way of your thinking is hypothetically, you have to say, what if I? What if I posted a new video every day? What if I start learning English today? What will happen? So it's a hypothetical situation and it's not happened yet. But you're thinking about doing it. If you want to express something you haven't done yet, you can say, I've never tried Indian food. I've never done it before. You want to talk about your past habits that you did them a lot, but you're not doing them anymore. I used to. I used to. I used to. I used to work late at night. I did it before, but I'm not doing it right now. I used to study 4 hours every day. I was doing it every day. Every day I was studying for 4 hours, but now I'm not doing it. And the last phrase is, it feels like. It feels like. If you want to express your emotions or your thoughts, you can say, it feels like. It feels like I've done this 1,000 times. It means I think, I feel. It feels like time is flying. I feel like time is flying, but that's true, time is really flying. And you have to do your best. So this was all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let me know in the comments section, do you like these kind of videos where I combine ASMR with teaching English?